everyone, this is Kritika. Today I'm going to talk about OneLake in Microsoft Fabric. Let's get started. So does this architecture look familiar? Companies often invest significantly in data lake or general data storage strategies, aiming to create a centralized repository for all their data. This central hub is expected to eliminate data silos, streamline integration and analysis, enhance security, and improve governance and discovery. However, achieving this vision is often difficult, and I see this frequently. Typically, data lakes are developed as custom projects using raw storage and extensive custom code to ensure scalability, collaboration, compliance, security, and governance. The adoption of data mesh patterns where each business division such as IT, sales, marketing, operations manages its own data silos and adds complexity and fragmentation. This results in multiple teams overseeing its isolated lake resources. To overcome these silos, organizations often create complex solutions to enable data sharing and reuse. IT department build data warehouses, data marts, cubes, or tabular models or analysis servers, which result in additional copies of the lake data. Consequently, the data lake system often becomes a data swamp categorized by persistent data silos and redundancy with data duplicate throughout the organization. Microsoft Fabric OneLake, referred to as OneDrive for Data, aims to be a unified logical data lake for enterprise-wide use and is included in every Microsoft Fabric tenant as a single repository for all analytics data. However, its control to CIT with its own source file is separate bases or warehouses, sale with its own CRM systems and ETL processes, operation with its own databases, and marketing with its own system. This leads to a fragmented and messy data landscape, turning the data lake into a data swamp. I'm excited to work in Microsoft OneLake, a fantastic new tool. Microsoft has done an impressive job creating this. It's all-in-one, ready-to-use data lake for the whole company provided as a service. OneLake is the core of Microsoft Fabric's approach, offering one data lake for the entire organization that can grow as needed. It's fully managed and secure. With OneLake, we only need one copy of data, and multiple tools like Power BI and Azure Synapse can use it at the same time. All these tools work with one security model built right into the lake, plus there's a centralized hub for discovering and managing the data. So there's just one data lake for the whole organization. This single data lake solves the problem of having fragmented data by providing one central place for all data. Before OneLake, it was common for different groups in an organization to create their own data lakes. This led to issues with managing multiple lakes and often resulted in duplicate data. If you need to use data from one another group lake, you have to copy it on your own, creating redundancies. OneLake fixes this by improving collaboration. Each customer has just one lake, which is automatically set up with every new Fabric tenant. This eliminates the need for extra setup or management. The tenant system is a big benefit of cloud platforms like OneLake. It provides a clear framework for governance and compliance managed by a tenant administrator. Just like the Power BI, where you have a Power BI tenant and administrator who manage the Power BI environment, OneLake works the same way. All data in OneLake follows these tenant policies. This organized system allows everyone in the organization to contribute to OneLake smoothly and consistently. Similar to how Office users can create new Teams, channels, or SharePoint-like sites without needing admin approval, OneLake promotes shared ownership through Workspace, as shown in this diagram. We see workspaces for sales, point of sales, online sales, customer ads, expenses, field operation, finance, among others, much like in a Power BI environment. These workspaces let different parts of your organization operate independently while contributing to the same data lake. Each workspace has its own admin and access control and is supported by capacity in a user-chosen region. For Power BI user, especially those with premium accounts, this setup will feel very familiar. This design ensures that One Lake can efficiently serve customers in multiple countries and comply with local data regulations. Even though workspaces might be different countries, they all contribute to the same data lake, making One Lake a truly global platform. So One Lake Data Hub offers a unified data lake solution that intended goal is to eliminate data silos. Lake also enables logical data organization and management, allowing different business units to effectively handle their own data. This is commonly referred to as data mesh. So finance, sales, and various other business domains that operate in what's called a mesh. So One Lake inherent support for data mesh allows organization to easily establish business domains. And once these domains are set up and populate with relevant data, One Lake data, a range of consumption and governance capabilities become available for each domain. And this facilitates more efficient data usage for business users and provides administrator with more detailed control over each domain, much like you would in a Power BI tenant or a Power BI environment where you set up a workspace and that workspace can set up and operate it completely different than other workspace. In that sense, Power BI can be thought as a data mesh in a way because your Power BI workspace could be aligned towards business units. They may not be, but they could be. So data owners and businesses can explore and utilize One Lake data relevant to their specific interests. At the same time, administrators can delegate settings to the domain level or the workspace level, enabling various definitions and governance for each business unit. So thanks to these One Lake domains or workspaces, One Lake sort of stands out as the first data lake service to native support this data mesh concept. One Lake is designed to be accessible across your entire organization. It's built on Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, which means it can handle any type of file, whether structured or unstructured. All data, including data warehouses and lake houses, is stored in One Lake using Delta Bucket format. This is what makes One Lake and Microsoft Fabric unique. For Power BI users, it will change how they access data. One Lake makes it easy to build a unified data lake. Whether data engineer use Spark or SQL developers uses TSQL, it's all supported. One Lake works with the same APIs and SDKs as Azure Data Lake Storage Generation 2, ensuring compatibility with existing applications like Databricks. Data in One Lake is accessed as if it were one large storage account for the entire organization. Each Fabric workspace is a container in this storage account with data items as folder within these containers. The goal is to maximize the value of a single copy of data without moving or duplicating it. Instead of transferring data between databases or data lakes, the One Lake concept is used. This allows connections and usage of data across different business domains without physically moving it through the use of shortcuts. Different analytical engines like TSQL, Spark, and Analysis Service can access data stored in Open Data Bucket format, enabling multiple engines to use the same data consistently. Shortcuts within an organization enable efficient data sharing among users and applications, eliminating unnecessary data movement and duplication. These shortcuts act as pointers to data in various file systems, making it appear as if the data is locally stored, even if it is actually in different workspace or external locations such as Amazon S3 buckets. One Lake transcends the boundaries of Microsoft and Azure, integrating with multiple cloud platforms and allowing tools like Spark Notebooks, SQL queries, and Power BI reports to operate seamlessly across them. Smart Caching further reduces cost by bringing data closer to the compute engine, minimizing egress cost when accessing data from services like Amazon S3. Now let's talk about compute. Fabric compute drives and analytical processes. If you're familiar with Snowflake, you will see similarities. Snowflake creates a centralized data lake with virtual warehouse for independent compute engines. OneLake Fabric works similarly, with multiple analytic engines accessing the same data without moving or duplicating it. Engines like TSQL, Spark, Costal Query Language, and Analysis Service used in Power BI can all use the same data. They don't need to know where the data is stored or what format it's in. They just access it as needed. For example, SQL engineers can use TSQL to manage data in tables, while data scientists can use Spark to analyze same data without needing special drivers. Business users can access data directly in Power BI using Direct Lake mode, which is faster and eliminates the need for import mode. Direct Lake combines the speed of import with flexibility of direct query. If a data engineering team wants to build a lakehouse with Spark, they can store data in OneLake in a Delta Bucket format. Once the data is in OneLake, any compute engine can use it, regardless of how it was added. This means team can use their preferred tools without worrying about data silos. SQL users can stick with SQL, Spark users with Spark, and Power BI users with analysis services. Everyone contributes to and accesses the same data lake, simplifying the data strategy and eliminating the need for data duplication or movement. So this was all about OneLake in Microsoft Fabric. In the next video, I'm going to talk about Direct Lake. So please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the next video. Thanks for watching.